How to use the narrator in Windows. Narrator is a screen reader and text-to-speak tool that allows you to hear text and screen elements read aloud. Here's how to use this accessibility feature in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Windows has long offered a screen reader and text-to-speech feature called Narrator. This tool can read web pages, text documents, and other files aloud, as well as speak every action you take in Windows. It's designed for the visually impaired, but can be used by anyone. Narrator acts the same in Windows 10 and 11, but the settings and configuration screens differ between the two versions of Windows. Let's see how this works in both Windows 11 and 10. A message may appear explaining how the narrator keyboard layout has been updated to more closely match your experience with other screen readers. Check the box next to "Don't show again" if you don't want to see this message each time narrator starts. Click OK to dispense with the message and keep narrator running. Otherwise, click the button for Turn off Narrator to view and explore the other options and settings before you actually use Narrator. With the default options, Narrator can be difficult to use as it sometimes fails to read the screen elements you wish to hear, or it reads the wrong part of the screen. That's why it's important to review all the settings beforehand so you can finely tune Narrator to work the way you want. Open Narrator. Home opens a "Welcome to Narrator" screen where you can learn how to use and customize the tool and find out about new features. View the complete guide to Narrator online takes you to a web page that offers complete information on using Narrator with a table of contents and a description of new features. Allow the shortcut key to start Narrator. If this box is checked, you can use the keystroke Win key plus Ctrl plus Enter to turn Narrator on and off. Start Narrator after sign in for me. This starts Narrator after you sign into Windows with your account. Show Narrator home when Narrator starts. This automatically takes you to the "Welcome to Narrator" screen when the tool starts. Minimize Narrator home to the system tray. This minimizes the "Welcome to Narrator" screen to the taskbar. Personalize narrator's voice. In Windows 10 you can change the narrator's voice a number of different ways. From the Narrator settings screen, use the drop-down menu to choose which voice you want to use for Narrator. Change the speed, pitch, and volume of your chosen voice through the sliders on the settings screen. Certain keystrokes can also be used to modify these elements. Additional voices can be added to Windows, including those for other languages. Navigate to Settings, Time and Language. Click the Add More Voices link. On the next screen, click Add Voices. Choose the language you want and click Add. If you have more than one audio source for Windows, click the drop-down box for Select where you hear narrator's voice and choose the active source. Additional settings to change in Windows 10. Under the Choose Keyboard Settings section, you can select your keyboard layout and pick the narrator modified key. Click the link for Create Your Own Keyboard Commands to select from a variety of commands to use with Narrator.